Hey, Michelson here from Tesla Driveway. This is a review of the EVOffer Auto Present door handles and EVOffer soft close doors. All right, so what do I like about them? I've had them for about a week. So I've got like I said, the Auto Present door handle. So you press the button and it opens, right? It's lit up. It's great. It's not too bright. If I've got the lights out, you can see it, but it's not like driving you crazy. I'll shut the lights out so you can see it. Here it's in, in blue. This is in my garage, but there's different colors. So it's pitch black. I like them in white, So the garage light just kicked on, but just to give you an idea of what they look like. So they're not, it's just the right amount of light, I think, It's showing up a little weird on the video, but they look normal. I like them in white. That's my preference, but I'm going to run through it and show you what they do. So you control it at the driver's door. They've all got buttons, but the only one that actually controls which color they are is the one at the driver's door. So you see it just shut. They stay open and present for about 40 seconds once they're engaged. And of course, they auto present. So like when you walk up to the car, they open, like this, they present. The only time they don't present is when the car is sleeping. So if the car's asleep, they're not going to do that. You're going to have to tap it to open it. But, if you're coming out of a restaurant with your friends, you can just wake the car up. A lot of times I do anyway because, if the car is going to sleep and I want the cabin temperature to be cool or whatever, I'm waking it up. But even if you don't, you can just hit the button and they'll all open. So when else do they open? When you hit the park button. So like if people are walking up to the car, maybe you're picking somebody up. And a lot of times, that's a hassle, right? So my friends are walking up to the car and they don't know how to open this door handle. So it's pretty slick. If I just hit the park button, boom, they open right up. And they all four open up, right? So, they work as advertised. I like it that they're not too loud, right? I've heard some of the other ones online, like they just didn't look like they were made quite as well. It's hard to see on video, but they sounded a little loud. These are not loud, and they kind of fit with the car. They look the part. They look just like the original door handles, so no issues there. Let me turn the light back on. All right, the soft close. That's cool. I mean, 9 times out of 10, I'm just closing the door like that, so it just does it by itself. I don't have to use soft close. But it's kind of nice, and since I had the door open, why not? It really didn't take that much more to do the soft close. So the soft close, I'll try to show you the whole thing on the video, but here I go, open the door. And if somebody doesn't quite get the door closed, you know how it can just kind of sit there. So it'll pull itself in and close the window and all that. Now, another critical thing about this that I wasn't really sure about until I got it all done was the speed, right? I didn't want any kind of delay, so I really like that, right? I don't know about other products, but I had heard that this one was quick. It was made well, and for whatever reason, my original Tesla door, when you hit that button, it opens, right? You saw that. I mean, it just opens really fast. Like, there's no delay at all. It's just, here, I'll be quiet so you can see it. I mean, it just opens, right? There's absolutely no delay. And I've heard that with some other products, there was kind of a slight delay. And that would really ruin the experience for me because I just want the thing to work, Likewise with the doors, I mean, they just work. There's no delay. Like when I hit that lever, they pop. And the window drops just as fast as it ever did. As soon as I hit that door handle, it all works really quickly. So, all right, so running through the colors, they've got like a blue, they've got purple, you can see them here. It's kind of a magenta, pink, white, green, And then they've got this, kind of, I don't know, strobe effect. It's kind of cool. Red. And then they've got one here, I think I might have missed it, where it kind of fades from one to the other. It's my wife's favorite. Yeah, this one. Here it is. So they've got this color here that kind of fades, this option that fades from one color to the next. When you change the color, you can't have individual colors. All the door handles, whatever color you choose, they apply. That color applies to all 4 door handles. All right, there you go. Thanks, everybody.